Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And sorry, I'm just adjusting my phone brightness. And in this video, I'll actually be talking about a ceiling fan, not the Roombas. But I want to give you guys a little bit of an update. So I've had a lot going on mentally and just school and everything. So I haven't had a lot of time to film. But basically there's Curtis 694, and then here's Widow i3+. Then there was a third one. Her name was Shroomba i3. But, yeah, so I bought them broken, fixed them up. I just haven't had time to film it. But this guy already knows going to a new home. So I'm happy for him. Just turn this on. Oh, no. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. I knocked over my projector. I'm on the cable. Let me just fix that. But anywho, everything is basically the same. Sorry, they're doing construction out there. Plot twist. Yes. So let me just put this chair back. Take a look at this guy. Yeah. So before I had the Hampton Bay Carrollton 2, but it was an AC motor, span pretty slow, and the remote receiver had gone out, so that's why I upgraded to this guy, Home Decorations Collection Makena 60-inch. That's another thing. My old fan, the Hampton Bay, was a 54-inch, 56-inch, I want to say. But yeah, so it's really cool. A pain to assemble, true, with that thing, but it looks awesome, in my opinion. So, here's the remote. Flick to lamp, whatever. Came with this. Just pop this off and it, the screws under there. Here's the remote. Let me come to the light. It's kind of early in the morning, so that's why the lighting's a little weird. So, power. Light. Let's watch it spin up. Alright, it has 9 speeds. On low, it goes really slow. I won't watch it spin down, even though it spins down pretty fast. It doesn't take too long. See how ridiculously fast it spins down? Makes me curious. That was really fast. So I guess we did watch the spin down. But, so light. And now something really cool about this LED light is that, well, first of all, it's pretty bright. You can change the brightness, so I hold this down. You guys probably can't really tell that good on video. But then I hold it down again and it goes back up to full brightness. Perfect. Look at my thumb has an indent now. But then another cool thing, let's see if I can focus better on this, is this button makes it change the temperature of the light. So I keep it right there. Letting go from cool to warm. This button obviously reverses the blades. And yeah, takes 2 AAA batteries. Now when this ceiling fan came, didn't actually take anything to pair the remote in it and the receiver. It was actually already paired. So I'm going to turn it down to low. I love how DC fans do that, where they go this way, then that way, then this way, then that way, and then they start up. Like aligning the magnets. I don't know how it actually works. But, yeah, so that's low. And I like how it's got 8 blades. it's another plus for me. Let's put this back. And yeah, guys, I guess I'll end the video here. Don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, it was $270. It's not a cheap fan at all. But I think it's worth it. It's a really good fan. I love how fast it spins, then I can actually feel it on my bed. That's the important part to me, that at night I can feel it on my bed. My old 52-inch AC Hampton Bay Carrollton 2 couldn't feel it at all on my bed, on high, on any speed. Could not feel it, obviously. So, yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching, and soon I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm doing a review on some new AirPods and a new 3D pen. Shh, don't tell anyone. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Have a great day.